Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on the markets, on Bitcoin. We'll talk about Bitcoin, but in this video we will also talk about quite a lot about altcoins, all right? Because altcoins right now are doing quite well. The Bitcoin dominance seems to be falling off a cliff, which is obviously bullish. Who knows how long this is going to go on for? I mean, nobody knows. But this looks pretty good, and there's already people talking about altcoin season starting, etc. In my opinion, it's a possibility, but what I said this morning, and I still believe in that, and I still think that's why you need to be a bit cautious. Look, it's a Friday. We have had a lot of bearish momentum in the last couple of weeks. This could also be temporary relief, right? I mean, the first week of the new year hasn't even started. So can we really trust this price action? I doubt it, and that's why I still would be cautious. I am bullish on the markets on the short term, but I still think, I mean, like, if you take a look at this Bitcoin dominance, it looks most likely at the moment that this will continue falling. It's been bearish now basically since the 26th of December. So that's all looking great, but you should be prepared for volatility. And I don't think we have enough confirmation yet to say that this is the start of the altcoin season. I do expect that. I do expect that relatively soon. I think it's too early to call it right now. But overall, if you watch my Bitcoin video, and we'll go over Bitcoin very quickly here, what I said this morning is that there was some more bearish pressure after yesterday evening and just in general into today. But I do think if you take a look at this structure here, where we have found a solid resistance here at 99,500, we had a good bounce here from the main support level we have at 92,000. Now we have broken above the middle of that range right here at 96,000 and 95,500. We've also so far been able to hold that breakout. So I would say, and this lines up with the fundamentals as well, in my opinion, I would say it's most likely that we will be able to hold the breakout above the middle of the consolidation and get into 98 and 99,000. Now, the question then becomes, can we actually break above 99,000? And can we from there get a breakout and turn fully bullish again? And my answer to that is still no. All right, it is just too early, I think. I think we will have to get some more bullish price action during January. And I think some other fundamentals, like if you take a look at the dollar strength index right now, it's just too strong, I think, to facilitate a major breakout above 100,000 and new all-time highs for Bitcoin. So down the line, I do expect that. But for now, I think short term is most likely we'll get up to that level. I don't think it's most likely we'll be able to break above that. And talking about the fundamentals, I mean, I think the fundamentals line up relatively well, right? So the dollar strength index locally is finding some resistance. That's good, but what I like even more for the markets is a bearish dollar strength index. But for Bitcoin is that the S&P 500 yesterday closed with a green candle. Pre-market right now is trading a little bit higher, so that's good. And in general, we are at a very strong support level. So that's why I expect the S&P 500 today also to do relatively well, or at least not to crash. So that's bullish for Bitcoin. And if you take a look at the Coinbase Bitcoin price, you can see that is almost going into a premium. Well, not almost, but it's like the discount that was on the Bitcoin price on Coinbase has decreased significantly, which is bullish as well. So I think there's reasons to be bullish on Bitcoin. I don't think there's enough reasons to break out. However, like I said, due to that bearish Bitcoin dominance, there are quite a lot of altcoin opportunities. Personally, I still like Phantom a lot. I think Phantom, if you zoom out here, is at a massive support level, which I will show you right here. Massive support level, retested the 200 EMA, think it looks great. But that's up to you. I mean, you have to make the decision in the end. I think Dogecoin looks much better than I expected this morning. We actually broke out, which I did not expect. Was wrong about that, but we broke out, and this looks good to get into 37, 38, 39 cents. And who knows what can happen with it if more bullish momentum is introduced due to Trump's inauguration later in January. So this is definitely one to keep your eyes on as well. What more is there? I mean, if we look at volume here, Fartcoin is still great, which is a bit strange. Cardano is actually doing quite well. We also, if you don't know, I have my own Signal group where me and one more trader, so there's amazing value in the group, we share trades. profitable trades and much more education around crypto trading. And we also hit a take profit on Cardano today. We actually bought that yesterday at 95 cents. So if you're interested in that, and if you don't know, consider joining the Signal group. Like I said, you get signals in there, you get trades, you get education, you get all sorts of benefits. Links will be down in the description. That's up to you. But Cardano actually still looks good with the volume it has. And what more is there? Like these older coins are doing quite well, right? So you have Stellar, Hedera, Link, EOS, all have potential, but they are quite dependent on how Bitcoin actually opens over the course of today. I expect that it will be bullish. That's why I'm also bullish on all of these altcoins. But I do think, like I said, with Friday being quite volatile, that it's best to proceed with caution. All right. So again, and I've said this yesterday as well, and yesterday it was correct, but be cautiously bullish. All right. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.